There was no sign on that road, but I have a feeling that was my road. You know, it's funny. I put this GPS unit, or it's actually my phone, but I put this mount on my bars so that I would have a GPS. And then the one time when I need it, when I can look down and see the name of the road, I completely forget it's there and wind up having to turn around. How it works, I guess. Oh, there's signs on this side of the road. Oh, great. Fresh oil and chips. These always make me super nervous. And then, as you can see, we got these markers sticking up. You know, I decided to go to this covered bridge and come in from the south because it's a little more scenic and it's just a nicer ride in general. But now I'm wondering if that was a bad idea just because of this road conditions. As long as there's not a car behind me, we'll be alright. I'll just drive as slow as I need to. Car gets behind me, I'm going to have to pull over and let them pass. No way. That Sprangle Road is where I needed to be. Alright, well, we're not going back down that road. That was not very fun. So all of that riding, I missed the road that I need because I thought that bridge was on Manatawny, but I missed the turnoff. I'm not going back. After all that, you know, we've got another covered bridge. I think it's approximately 2 miles north of the other bridge, and here it is right here. So this, I think, is the Pleasantville Bridge. Let's see if I can find a place to park. I have a feeling that it's going to be very difficult. Although I would like to check it out. Right there, I think. No, that's someone's driveway. Right here works though. So before I made this trip out, I decided to do just a little bit of research and pull up some basic information on the bridges, so I didn't just show up and say like, "Hey, look at this cool bridge," ride through it and then leave. So the interesting thing about this bridge is that apparently it was constructed over 2 periods. It was like 1852 and 1856. And it had something to do with lumber shortages. Great. I had a car coming through. I was afraid that was going to happen. But so it's got what they call some sort of brace truss system, which is, I guess, different than standard bridge construction. There's the Manatawny Creek. It's pretty cool. Rebuilt in 1856. Probably look like some kind of weirdo walking around in a motorcycle helmet. Oh wow. Kind of a cool view. This is probably someone's private property. I don't want to go stomping all over their grass. There's another date stone here. Stone by. Can't read it. Eben ink. Can't imagine it says 2003, but it's possible. And I was not expecting this much traffic to be coming through here on a Saturday morning. So as you can see, some of the wood is, the wood siding and whatnot is seen better days. But structurally, it's supposed to be, well, in good condition. Obviously, you're seeing lots of traffic go through it. Now, in the last video, take a picture of them, we'll read it later. The Blue Bike and Doyle from Blue Bike and Doyle had mentioned that covered bridges down south where he is, the floor construction is a bit different. There's only wood planks where the tires go on the cars. I don't know what that means exactly as far as where the tires aren't. Obviously, it's not like 2 strips and imminent death in between. But I'm really amazed at how solid the floors feel when you walk through these bridges. I mean, obviously they need to be to support live loads and traffic and all that, but it's amazing. It feels like you're walking on the road. It's, it doesn't have that hollow sound. It's amazingly solid. And for something that was built back in, you know, the 1800s. It's really impressive. Alright, I think that's pretty much going to do it. I can waiting for someone to come running out screaming at me, "Get off my lawn." So here we are down by the creek. You can hear the floor moving down here. You certainly can't feel it inside. It feels really solid. And the sun in the way. Hopefully you can see better than my camera phone can. 'Cause that sun is like blinding. Well, the plan was to go to 2 bridges today, Greisemer and Pleasantville, but I keep saying Pleasantville. I hope it's Pleasantville, but it didn't work out that way. We are missed one, and I'm not going back through all those oil and chips, so just kind of make do. So pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna hop back on my bike, figure out looking at my cheat sheet here. The bridge spans 126 feet. Alright, so we'll get a look riding through the bridge one more time. Coming from the opposite direction. I gotta do it, sorry. That felt incredibly childish, but it was a lot of fun. Well, I'm sorry that the video didn't turn out as I had hoped. My plan really was to visit 2 bridges today, but as you can see from all of the footage leading up to how I got here, it just wasn't going to work out. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell notification to get alerts anytime something new is posted. So again, thank you for watching the channel, commenting, supporting, all that great stuff. It means a great deal to me to see so much positivity and support for my little channel. So thank you for watching, stay safe, and until next time, I will catch you later.